Root Beer Floats on keto? Who would have thought? Somebody needs to roll the intro. What is up, my outstanding keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. My name is Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Didn't forget that time. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, click the subscribe button right below this video and then move a little bit over, click the bell and the word all so you don't miss anything when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel, like the one we're going to show you today. Like I just mentioned, Root Beer Float, what's that all about? Well, normally you go to your Sonic, you go to your Dairy Queen, you go to your whatever.
Really? Because
Yeah.
I don't remember ever. I'm thinking more like a
Root beer
malt
floats
shop.
or whatever.
It's
I'm
like
just
old
saying,
school.
ice cream and then root beer poured on top of it, and then 50 years later you look like this. But it tastes delicious, and you want to keep that delicious taste in your life, or it'll drive you nutty. That's why we're going to make it keto-fied. Now, did
Sorry,
you?
there was
There's
moth.
something flying?
Yeah.
You specifically wanted to do this treat because, and a lot of the sweet stuff that we do on this channel, it's really all about the kids.
Yeah.
I say it's about me, it's kind of about me, but it's really about the kids because they enjoy it more than we do.
Yeah. Especially Bentley. He is a root beer guy.
Oh yeah, he's a root
That's-
beer connoisseur, just like he's a
Grilled cheese.
grilled cheese connoisseur.
Yeah, when we were on our trip to San Antonio, like driving back, we stop at the gas station to get a soda, and every single time Diet A&W root beer. And some don't have it, so we'd get them a Diet Dr. Pepper. No, that's not clean keto, it's dirty keto,
No.
but when you're on the road, you gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta
know-
ride dirty.
Yeah, riding dirty. Yeah. So we decided, you know what? I've done ice cream root beer floats with them in the past, but I don't have time sometimes to make like ice cream. So I was like, you know what? Let me try this. And so I'm just gonna show you a simple, easy.
Yeah, quick, easy
Yeah.
video. This is like in and out of the door. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? So
Let's
here you
do it.
go.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1/4. delicious.
Try that one. It's real easy to do if you're looking for something to make on a Saturday afternoon when it's 106 degrees outside.
Look, I will say you can do this cleaner if you use Zevia root beer. We use
Yes, we
Zevia
have done
root
that.
beer.
Zevia root beer is cleaner than this because they don't use aspartame.
But I'm just gonna say it looks kind of weird because it's like white.
Yeah.
It's clear, so you're literally drinking nothing but white. So I kind of wanted to make this a little darker. You see the little darkness of the root beer, but anyway.
Anyway, that's the video, guys. Appreciate you watching, liking. Give a thumbs up if you try this this root beer float. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let us know how it turned out for you. And remember to share and also, what else with this channel? Share and...
Like and comment.
Share, like, and comment. And remember, until next time, keep it root beer float. That's too easy.
Why can't you just say...
It's too easy.
Hey, remember next time, keep it floaty or something like that. Anyway,
oh, wow.
whatever.
That's better than mine.